Hey everybody, this is Ethan King, Goldwell National Artist from Austin, Texas. I have my model Jarrett here today, and we're going to be doing an amazing color placement with a gradient swirl using some of our colors from the collection Creative Energy. Some of these colors are going to be Vivid Azure, Electric Plum, Orange Flame, and Digital Magenta. To prepare our canvas today, I'll be using LightDimensions Oxycur Platin. This is going to give us maximum lift on his dark base canvas. Now I'm going to mix up two different formulas, one starting with 9%. This is going to be for mids and ends application, going back in for a regrowth application using 6% with Oxycur Platin. I will be adding BondPro Plus #1. This is going to make sure that we keep the hair integrity to maintain his curl pattern. Now that we've achieved a nice clean lift on Jarrett's canvas, we're going to be using Illumine Prepare to optimize the deposit of color to achieve a nice, vivid result. To create my gradient swirl on Jarrett's canvas, we'll be using Illumine today, creating the shades Vivid Azure, Electric Plum, Digital Magenta, and Orange Flame. So here's the finished result on Jarrett. I hope you guys enjoyed today's look. Please comment, like, subscribe, and follow our YouTube channel for more content.